Nice afternoon, early evening. Hi. Hi, little guy. That's the little boy. He's always outgoing. Yep. Checking everything out, right? Whoa, you gonna jump? All right. Hi, big boy. How are you, big stretcher? Yeah. Where are you going, big boy? Huh? Mommy and her baby are over here on the board. Yeah, Mommy's bored. He says, I think I'll follow Daddy tonight. Right in the trees. It's a tangled bunch of branches. There they go. Hi, kitty. Hi, little kitty. Yeah, I see. Your other brother's in there, too. Yeah, your sister's right there. Wow. Mommy's just chilling on her board. Hi, Blackie girl. Good, Mommy. Yeah, it was another cold, rainy day, but believe it or not, they're saying now, tomorrow, it's going to be 60 here. And the sky is breaking up a little. I don't know where the kittens went.